anticipated, Bank Zero has finally launched today, allowing customers to apply to be clients of the bank. And this is a huge milestone for digital banking in the country because South Africans have the option of choosing another bank as of today. As I've just mentioned, Bank Zero has opened up for people to become clients. And of course, the big shaker here is that application of zero fees on monthly accounts. But of course, we'll get a further breakdown on those fees. And I'm going to be joined by the chief executive of the company now, of Bank Zero, to tell us more about what's been happening when it comes to the launch and really what consumers can look forward to. So Yatin Narsai joins me now to talk more about this. Yatin, many thanks for your time this evening. Now, when we talk about a mutual bank, what exactly is it that you'll be offering your customers?
Okay, so the mutual bank fundamentally just talks to our banking license. From a customer point of view, what you experience from a day-to-day banking will be the same. What the mutual bank license affords us is capital efficiency. And of course, the mutuality concept is something that we really embraced. And that's why in our value proposition, there's a lot of digital connectedness as well built into our system.
Right. Now, there are many people who have been looking at this story, many analysts in the industry who are asking the question, why has it taken Bank Zero this much time to launch and to start getting clients on board?
You know, from the time you get your license to the time you do your public debut, it's about 3 years. We've taken 3.5 years. The big challenge for us was obviously the pandemic last year. That caused insane amount of delays. Given that, you know, wave one with the lockdowns, we had to move on a work from home basis. We had to reinvent our processes, rethink how we do IT, how do we rebuild the IT productivity again. So there was a tremendous amount of effort that went into that. Of course, unfortunately, that also came at a cost in terms of delays.
Right. I mean, I was speaking to one market analyst earlier on this afternoon who indicated that actually Bank Zero's launch could not have come at a more opportune time given the new normal that's been created by COVID-19. I mean, with today's launch and just as a medium look forward, are you feeling optimistic about the prospects for the bank?
We're very excited. You know, today's volumes were staggering. We did not expect such high volumes. Obviously, the team is working now long hours. We started the day early. We will continue into the night. Tomorrow is another long day. But we're really impressed with the customer volumes that are coming through. You know, our digital-only solution is clearly resonating with the market. Our QR payments, which I also call sometimes micropayments, will work really well where cash infrastructure has been destroyed. And also the low fees, especially for business banking, has a material benefit to businesses out there.
Right. I'm glad you bring up the issue of fees, just for some clarification. So there has been an indication that there are no monthly fees, but third-party transactions will have some charges. Apart from what you've just said about low fees for businesses, talk us through the fee structure that potential clients can look forward to.
Okay, so we've simplified our fee structure. We just have one fee guide across individuals and businesses. All the day-to-day banking fees are zero. So the only things that we charge is where there's costs that we incur and we pass on that cost and we put a small margin. So when you do a cash withdrawal, there'll be a fee. Sometimes there's nuisance fees involved. But the monthly fees and all of those grudge fees are removed from our value proposition. Because we're using modern new technologies, it allows us to create much better cost efficiencies. So therefore, we don't have to recover such a large cost base.
Very exciting times for Bank Zero and its potential clients. Yatin Narsai there, who's the chief executive, giving us insights on the launch of Bank Zero today.